Hello everybody, welcome to my X-Files. Just to say, I have found a third competitor. It's a Hoover Whirlwind 1800 watt pet cylinder cleaner. Now the thing is that I found it that it's been used for coffee for some reason. I don't know why. For coffee, I don't know. But I found it, it's a third competitor, so we've now got an ultimate versus of a Hoover Whirlwind, the Air Steerable Max and the Numatic vacuum cleaner. So we would do small one first, which is loudest first, where that's not part of EU regulations, which is the Hoover Whirlwind. For a vacuum cleaner, I have to argue with the System Force people here, because that actually did really good. Of course, it couldn't get these big particles, but it did remove a lot of the dust, which is quite a shocking score actually. So next one is the upright cleaner, the Vax Air Steerable Max. So ready for vacuum for this one as well. Now that was dirt busting work there. It may have left this long line here, but that is also a very good job. However, and there are like some kind of very tiny little hairs, but that's fine, I can sort that out. So now what's left is the Henry, oh should I say Numatic NRV 200, that's because that's what it is. Looking for this one. Yeah, that is also a really good pass, but it did slightly worse when it went against the Air Steerable Max, but this time it's even Stevens. So to be fair, this is going to be hard for you to choose, but you have to choose a winner here. I'm going to choose you, the viewer, to think which has done better, the Air Steerable Max, the Numatic, or the Hoover Whirlwind, because they're actually all good cleaners. So thank you for watching this, and I'll clean this up first. Start by using this cleaner on the big stuff. I'm starting with the little cleaner, with the easy stuff. yeah, that was a good thing. So thank you for watching my X-Files, and I'll see you next time. Suck it! And also, just to say, there to of course rate your best vacuum, the Hoover Whirlwind, Vax Air Steerable Max, or Numatic NRV 200, and to put it in the comments.